Need a handheld steam cleaner for grease, grout, glass, and upholstery? Here are 5 models ranked from strongest overall to weakest. The Phueut takes first place because it offers the best overall balance of cleaning power, versatility, and proven real-world performance. It is not the lightest model here, but it feels the most complete. Its 1,200-watt heater, solid pressure, and 11-piece accessory set make it useful for more than one quick job. You can move from greasy kitchen surfaces to grout, glass, or fabric without needing another machine. Compared with the smaller McCulloch, it gives you more water capacity, and unlike several models lower in the ranking, its cleaning results were also supported by an independent test. But there is one practical weakness. There is no continuous steam lock. That means you need to keep pressing the trigger, which can get tiring during longer sessions. The cable is also shorter than the one on the McCulloch, and the documented version is designed for 110 to 120 volts. This is the best choice for anyone who wants strong all-round performance and plans to clean several types of surfaces. But if low weight and easier handling matter more than maximum versatility, the next model may suit you better. Links to all products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. The McCulloch comes in second, and honestly, it may be the easiest model to live with. It is the lightest cleaner in this comparison, has the longest cable, and includes a trigger lock for continuous steam. That combination matters in everyday use. Imagine cleaning around a sink, moving to the stove, and then reaching a bathroom corner without constantly changing outlets. The long cable helps, and the lower weight makes the cleaner less tiring to hold. It also includes 11 accessories and comes with a 2-year warranty, which gives it an advantage in support and documentation. The main compromise is the very small 177 milliliter tank. It still delivers around 10 minutes of steam, but once it runs dry, you need to release the pressure and allow a long cooling period before refilling. It is also made for 120-volt power, so buyers in many European countries need to pay close attention. Choose this one if comfort, reach, and simple operation matter most. If you would rather trade some comfort for a much larger tank and longer sessions, the third-place model is more interesting. If this comparison is helping, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The TICYACK ranks third, but it wins one important category: capacity. Its 500 milliliter tank is the largest here, and the claimed steam time reaches up to 15 minutes. In practice, that means fewer interruptions when you are cleaning several areas in one session. The continuous steam function also reduces strain on your hand, while the 16-piece set is the most extensive in the group. Compared with the McCulloch, it is built more for longer jobs than quick, lightweight use. But that extra capacity comes with extra mass. At just over 2 kilograms before adding water, it is the heaviest model in the ranking, and you will notice that during overhead or detailed cleaning. Independent testing and warranty information are also less clear than they are for the top 2 models, and the documented version uses 110 volts. This model makes sense for anyone who hates stopping halfway through a job and does not mind holding a heavier cleaner. For European power systems, though, the next option has a clear practical advantage. The CURMEDI takes 4th place. Its biggest advantage is not the tank or the running time, but the fact that a documented 220 to 240 volt version is available. That makes it much more relevant for buyers in Europe. It also provides clearly stated steam pressure and steam output, plus a 12-piece accessory set for grout, glass, fabric, and narrow spaces. On paper, its core cleaning specifications are competitive with the MOSCHE and close to the Phueut. The problem is the small usable water capacity of just 175 milliliters. There is also no verified steam time figure, and the cleaner should not be tilted beyond 45 degrees during use. Weight, cable length, and warranty details were not clearly documented either, so it is harder to judge the full ownership experience. Consider this model if direct compatibility with 220 to 240 volt power is a priority. But if you are shopping in a 110 to 120 volt market and mainly care about basic pressure and accessory coverage, the final model may still be worth a look. The MOSCHE finishes in 5th place. Its specifications look familiar because it shares the same model code and many core figures with the top-ranked Phueut. Although a shared manufacturer has not been confirmed, you still get 1,200 watts, steam pressure up to 0.32 megapascals, and an 11-piece accessory kit. For quick cleaning around taps, tile edges, kitchen surfaces, and small fabric areas, that is a useful setup. It heats quickly and offers more capacity than the McCulloch or CURMEDI. But its documented steam time is only 5 to 8 minutes, and there is no clearly verified continuous steam lock. More importantly, it does not have the same level of independent testing behind it as the Phueut. So while the numbers look strong, the evidence is weaker. This model is best for buyers who find it at a clearly better price and only need short cleaning sessions. If the price is close to the top-ranked model, the Phueut is the safer overall choice. Check the links in the description to see the top products and current offers. And if this video helped you choose, please like it and subscribe to the channel.